Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to show you how I made this really cute and pretty mermaid inspired gel polish design. I made this on my natural long nails, and I am going to speed this one up quite a bit and add some music as well because I did all the nails separately and I actually shortened it down from a video from about an hour to about 18 minutes. So it is a lot of repetitive steps for each and every nail, but you want to start off with clean nails and just prep them. I always get rid of the natural shine and clean them with a little bit of gel polish cleaner to make sure I have no dust or any like natural oils left on my nails. And as you can see, I actually have a little bit of a tear in my pinky nail, and I fixed that with a little piece of a tea bag. Now I am recording this voiceover. My pinky nail actually broke off, or at least the tip did, on the spot where I had this little patch and little tear, but I just fixed that later on with a small piece of like a false nail tip. But you just want to go on and apply your base coat, and then I'm going in with like a really lovely like minty green or like greenish bluish kind of shade, and I'm just applying a really thin layer to the thumb. I always work in really thin layers, especially when I'm doing like a gradient or an ombre effect, and I'm only going to use the brush which is in the gel polish bottle itself. So you just want to cure that first layer, and then you want to go in with that second layer of that same color just to make sure it's a little bit more opaque. And as I said, as usual, just work with really thin layers and make sure your nails won't get like super clumpy or anything like that. And in between, I'm just curing for a full minute. But before I'm going to cure this second layer, I'm going in with the mint green color. The first one was more of like a vintage blue, like a really breakfast at Tiffany's kind of blue. And I'm just going in with that mint green on the tip, blending that into the light blue, going back into the light blue and blending that with the mint green before I cure it for a full minute, and that way you have like a perfect blend without any hassle. Then I just wanted to add a ton of glitter and gems and just the whole shebang. I was really feeling it. I actually recorded this the night before my 28th birthday, and I felt like I just wanted mermaid nails on my birthday, so that's why I made it. But it took me quite a while because, as you guys know, I am right-handed, but I always do gel tutorials or gel polish designs on my right hand, so I have to work with my left and non-dominant hand. So it always takes me like almost twice as long as I compared to when I would do a design with my right hand on my left hand, or with my right hand on any other person actually. But I just really took my time with this one, and you guys know me, I really like doing nails and it's kind of like therapy for me. It really calms me, and it's just really relaxing, so that's why I actually took a ton of time doing my nails. But once you have added glitter and some other like bigger glitter, I just added a ton of different blue and purple and gold and minty green and some other like AB crystals as well, just around the cuticle area. And yeah, actually every single nail is just a little bit different. I added some like singular like golden embellishments to the middle finger and the pinky, but you will just see me doing that as we go in this video. And I don't really have that much more to say though. The only thing I do want to mention is that when you go on to the next finger, I actually started with the color I ended with on the previous nail on the tip. So for the pointer finger, I'm actually going to start with that mint green, and then I'm going in with a lilac-y purple. But you just want to add a good amount of top coat before you add all of your gems, because that's the way I always adhere my gems. So yeah, I don't really have that much to say, other than I hope you enjoy, and I'm sorry it's a kind of like a longer video and I don't really have the time to walk you through this tutorial like all the way through, so that's why I'm going to add some music after I'm done with my little talk, you know. But here for the pointer finger, this is what I just wanted to explain a little like a minute ago. I'm going to start off with the mint green, on which I ended on the tip of the thumb. And I'm just going to cure that first layer as I did for the thumb as well, and then going in with the second layer and adding a little bit of purple to the tip. Then for the middle finger I'm going to start with that purple, going in with that blue again, and so on and so on. So you just want to start around the cuticle area with the color you used on the tip of the previous finger, if you know what I mean. If you don't know what I mean, please let me know in the comments down below so I can explain maybe a little bit better. I'm pretty rambly today, but I really hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions or comments or anything, do let me know in the comments down below. The brand of gel polishes I'm using is by femketjeNL. They do sponsor me by sending me their gel polishes for free, but I don't get paid or anything like that to make these kind of tutorials or videos or anything for that matter. I just wanted to put it out there. They do send me their collections just to review and check out and all that stuff, but I'm not getting additional money or paid or anything. I just really like the brand. It is my go-to gel polish brand, and they just have really good quality stuff, you know. But yeah, just look at how flawless that blend is, that ombre gradient, however you want to call it. I love that combination with the mint green and that lilac-y color so much. I think it is so pretty. I know it is fall and we're just like past Halloween and stuff like that, but I just really love my pastel colors. So this is one I feel like you can wear all year round. You could actually wear this for like a Halloween party if you have like a late Halloween party, if you go like a mermaid or anything like that. So yeah, I'm just going to quit rambling because otherwise I will be talking for a full 18 minutes and you guys don't want that, I think. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Do keep on watching to see how I made all the other nails, like all just a little bit different, but it's one complete set at the end. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Ain't there nothing I can dig a set.